Good morning. So we are on page 43, and this is lesson 20. Now this says test at the top. And remember, this is a test to see if you remember. So this isn't a test like a get a bad grade or get a good grade. These are tests that just tell us, yes, I remember that. No, I don't remember that. Or we need to work on this some more. Nope, I'm ready. I'm good. So that's what this is about. Nothing to worry about. But it means I'm not going to fill any answers in for you. You're going to do it. I'm just going to walk you through it, okay? So if at any point you need more time than what I give you, then you get to push pause and do that section and then come back to us, okay? So don't be afraid to push pause. But we're going to jump right in here. This one says count the groups of tens by 10 and then count the ones and write the number. So you're looking, remember these are our 10 rods. You're looking to see how many tens there are. You're going to write the number. How many ones there are, and you're going to write the number. Okay? So go ahead and do these three problems. And it's kind of hard to tell, but I'll tell you these ones right here are a group. Okay, and then these last ones right here are a group. So here's your first one, goes here, this one goes here, and then this one goes here. All right, so go ahead and do that. Push pause, do those three, and then come back to me. Okay, so if you're with us right now, you're ready to do number 2. You have answers on all of these spots. So down here, you're taking this number, you're writing how many tens there are in just this number, how many ones there are, and then you're writing it with the tens and the ones. We've done this a few times. See if you can remember how to do these three. So push pause, do these three, and come back to me. Okay, so if you're back, you have all of this done and all of this done, and you're down here on number 3 with me, and you are counting how many fish there are, and you're going to write the answer not in a number, but in tally marks right here. In this box, you're going to tally mark the fish, then you're going to tally marks for the frogs, then you're going to tally marks right here for the dragonflies. And when you're done, come on back to me. So push pause and do those 3 boxes. All right, if you are back with us, you are on the next page, which is page 44, and we're still doing our little test. And right up here it says draw a line to match the word, number, and the word. So you're figuring out which word says these numbers. So this is, I'm not going to read them to you, but see this one's example, this is the word 6, and so he drew a line to the 6. Okay, so you've got to figure out what these words are and match them with these numbers. And the same thing over here, figure out what these words are and match them to the numbers. All right, so push pause, do that, and come on back when you're done. All right, so now number 5, we are deciding, remember these are our alligator mouths, and we're deciding the alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So is 5 bigger or 8 bigger? And draw your alligator mouth the correct way. Then is 16 bigger or 24 bigger? Draw your alligator mouth right here. And then right here is 35 bigger or 8 bigger? And draw your alligator mouth. Okay, so now down here, we're writing just, does it equal or does it not equal? Remember, so do this math, 3 plus 8, or 3 plus 5, and then do this math, 7, and write if they're the same or cross it off if they're not. Now do 4 plus 2, decide what that equals, and is it the same as this one? If so, write an equal sign. If not, cross it off. All right, and then this one, you're adding 7 plus 1, and figure out what that equals. And is it the same as this number? If it is, write an equal sign. If not, cross it off. All right, now down here at number 7, we are counting by 2s, and we're writing the number that comes between. So we're at 16. When you add 2 more, what number goes right inside here? Write that number right here. Okay, now we're at 34. When we add 2 more, what goes inside here? And then we're at 50. We add 2 more. What goes inside here? Okay, now we're down here and we're at count by fives. Write the number that comes between. Okay, so these are we're counting by fives. So we're adding 5, right, each time. So we're at 15. What's the next group of 5? Okay, then we're at 40. What's our next group of 5? All right, and then we're at 75. What's our next group of 5? All right, and now if at any point you need to go back and redo this page, go ahead and redo it, and then I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.